Hey guys, so my Mwave albums finally arrived. Like, I did a small group order for the Monsta X meet and greet. So I have the clan part 2 for the guilty and innocent versions. Oh my god, I can't talk. I have 13 copies, 3 boxes. So let's get straight into it because I've been waiting so long for these. But yeah, okay. Ocean, journey into another land. Oh no, no. Okay. Okay. So let's start with. I started opening it, then I was like, no, I gotta make a video. So, can you see it? Can you see it? Okay. Okay. 희미하게 보이는 내 실루엣 널 보여줘 지금 너무 지루해 지금 숨이 막혀 숨을 죽여놨어 미는 건 여기까지만 하기로 해 당겨줘 가벼워질게 almost everyone ordered a guilty version. Okay, can you see it? Okay, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 versions of the guilty and 4 versions of the innocent. Okay, so Juhan signature. Oh my god, can you guys see? Okay, Shonu, Wonho. Ah, okay, Minhyuk. Where should I put these? I just stacked them. Put the photo cards right here. Juhan. Okay. Kihyun. And a Kihyun. The Kihyun. Oh my god, okay. Shonu. Juhan. And I am Hyungwon. Group. Oh. Group. Kihyun. And Wonho with Wonho! Oh my god, okay, I only got one Wonho. Okay, here we got Hyungwon. Oh my god, we got Minhyuk! Okay. Got Minhyuk. And we got Minhyuk signature, the only Minhyuk signature we got actually. With the Wonho, oh my god, okay. Whoa. Okay, we got I am. With the Shonu. And a Juhan with the Juhan. Were they like giving sets instead? But I mean, I'm kind of sad I didn't get Minhyuk in the guilty because I bought one. But I guess it's okay. We got almost all the members. Oh my god, we didn't get no Changhyun photo cards, but I mean, we got Wonho, Shonu, Minhyuk, Kihyun. These are all nice. I mean, not mad. Oh, and also the shipping was very, very good. I'm so happy with the shipping from Mwave this time. And I can't believe they have 6 6 versions of these. I only have one, so I don't know if I'm gonna collect them. But anyway, also if you guys ever want to join a group order with me for US, I'm always holding group orders and I make freebies for people. And if you want to see the freebies that I do make, follow my Instagram or Twitter, because I'll post like the pictures of what I'm giving out. And they're actually good freebies. So, and usually you get your biases, because right now my group order right here, they got their biases. So yeah, so hit me up if you guys ever want to join a group order with me. I'll always post up before I do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and have a good day or whatever. Bye.